Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best electric bike AliExpress. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Chang Milo. Model number, MX20. Tackle the tough sand, snow or road with ease. And the frame is made of durable 6061 aluminum alloy, full suspension fork. Offers smooth cushioning and shock absorption when cycling on rough terrains, enjoying the stimulant during your ride. Front and rear mechanical double disc brakes, number of speeds, Shimano 7-speed shifter front fork, high-strength aluminum alloy, comfort shock absorption. Powerful system is 500-watt 48-volt brushless motor. Strong power will add more fun to your journey. The maximum speed of the motor is about 45 km per hour. In addition, the motor has a speed limit function 30 km per hour to 42 km per hour. 48-volt 15-ampere-hour lithium battery. With the protection of the plastic and waterproof case, the battery is not easy to be damaged. Number 4. Brand name, Hemo. Model number, Z16. Hemo Z16 is an electric bike with the advantages of both bicycles and electric vehicles. It supports a maximum user weight of 100 kilograms. This bike has pedal mode, moped mode and pure electric mode. The pure electric mode meets daily commuting, and manpower or electric assist riding can make you enjoy a pleasant ride. Inflatable tires have low resistance and strong grip. 10-ampere-hour power brings a long-lasting energy output up to 80 km electric moped mileage. The bike has finished assembling 90% before shipment. Usually it is necessary to mount the saddle, the pedals and the handlebar. Number 3. Brand name, Omechi. Model number, K600. Multi-mode electric mountain bike adapts to different road conditions. 21-grade Shimano transmission system with built-in battery in aluminum alloy frame. KT6 tube controller has stable performance and good heat dissipation and can work normally in inferior environment. Totally enclosed brushless motor with 48-volt 300-watt and 3-phase hull can work more smoothly, can climb slopes above 35 degree. Power-assisted driving mode of intelligent. Induction sensor. With power lithium battery 48-volt 10-ampere-hour, charge-discharge times are 1500 to 2000 tims, and built-in circuit board protects overcharge of over-discharge. Number 2. Brand name, Miyatu. Model number, EP2 Pro. This mountain bike is equipped with 4-inch pneumatic tires that are mounted on 20-inch wheels. Thanks to the full front and rear axle of the EP2 power bike, you can easily ride over uneven terrain with maximum traction. With 48-volt 750-watt brushless gear motor, it can easily help you travel at 45 km per hour electric mode in full charger, and with a 48-volt 12.8-ampere-hour battery, the distance would be 33 miles. This e-bike is a mechanical front and rear disc brake design that puts control and safety at your fingertips. The professional Shimano 7-speed gearbox provides excellent climbing ability and can help you tackle a variety of terrain. Ride as hard as you want. Choose from 3 drive modes, full throttle, pedal assist or pedal only. The front suspension allows you to drive smoothly over rough terrain with maximum traction. The monitor displays the actual speed, travel distance, power level, battery voltage etc., and the front and rear light can provide much more safety at night. with night mode LCD for good visibility at night and displays mileage and speed. Electric bike features a mechanical front and rear disc brake design that provides control and safety to grip closely. This folding electric bike adopts light yet strong aluminum with anti-corrosion and anti-exposure material. It will serve you for many years. Number 1. Brand name, Chang Bike. Model number, LO26. 500-watt motor provides the maximum 35 km/h speed and maximum 35-degree gradient. 10.4 ampere-hour 48-volt Li-ion battery for maximum 40 km mileage with pure electric mode and 70 km mileage with moped mode. 26-inch inflatable rubber tire for different grounds. Folding design for convenient carrying. Pedal mode, moped mode, and pure electric mode for choose. The front fork suspension system effectively reduces disruption and responds to various road conditions. LED front light to ride at night safely. Suitable for adults and teenagers. Shockproof inflatable tires with wear resistant and anti-slip texture, ensure you a more